Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, today I am drawing a little mermaid. Let's draw and paint with me. First I am drawing its tiny eyes. Now I am drawing her long hair. Draw with me. I am drawing its arm and its body. Now I am drawing another sides of hair. I am drawing its tail. I am drawing a stone and a sea plant. I am going to cover it with skin color. I am coloring its face. A mermaid lives in sea. I love her cute face. I am drawing its body and its arm with skin color. I am coloring its tummy. Coloring its chest with dark pink color. Light blue color. I am coloring its belly. Peacock color. I am coloring its tail. I am coloring a colorful tail. Next is purple color. Dark pink color. Blue color and yellow color. It's time to color its hair. It's beautiful and shiny hair, yellow color. I love her hair. Pink color, blue color, oh, its hair is looking so nice. Light green color, pink color, oh, it's looking so nice. Purple color, and the last one is dark green color. I am coloring in water drops. Blue color, dark brown color. I am coloring in stone. I am coloring in a sea plant, light green color. I am coloring in small stone, yellow color.
Subscribe us for more videos.